Let me have a look at you guys. So, Jesus Christ, what are you trying to do to us? There's so many beautiful people in here, we can't even focus. It's a supermodel. Even guys, you there, eh? Been to the gym a lot, I can see. Respect. Respect. You know we love you, and we've been here so many times before, individually, but this time is special. And how many people in their lives can say that they've made a mark on somebody else's life that they will remember forever? Well, Toronto, tonight, when you leave this place, you can say that you left a mark in the memories of 3 Swedish guys